I'm going to jump right in today, guys. This is our main website as it looks right now. We're going to be upgrading and changing things, but it should look fairly similar. But going on our site is as simple as clicking through and finding the products that you guys want to use. We have men's, women's shirts, women's tank tops, youth hoodies, bottoms. Some of this stuff you guys will see disappearing and changing because we reserve it for our um, store owner clients at various levels because of the complexity of designs required and additional cost for things like hats and shorts and things like that. But for the most part, hoodies, t-shirts, tanks, tops, and things like that are pretty straightforward. It's as easy as going on here and picking the item that you like. So one of our popular ones is the Next Level Tri-Blend Crew. And when you go on here, it's pretty straightforward. It's giving you the descriptions, all the colors that are available. It also gives you a breakdown down here of the types of cost basically associated with it. So no decorations. You can buy this blank for $18.25. If you guys are doing something and you need anywhere from 1 to 23, you're going to be looking at using digital printing as your decoration method. If you're going to be going above and beyond for one particular design and you're going to do 24 or more, you're going to want to go into doing a screen printing decoration method. And again, you'll see down here how the prices start to change quite drastically. So right here, this is blank. This is digital printing. You'll see that it gets to 24 quantity and jumps up quite a bit, and that's mainly because it's just not a great suitable decoration method when you're going above and beyond that. And then you'll see down here that once you hit 24 or more, you're going to start getting a price as low as $12.75, I believe, for one color, which is pretty good. One color, one location. So to start the process, guys, it's very simple. You just click Start Designing. The type of graphics that you're going to want to load into the system are going to be, give you an opportunity to see. So you're going to want to load, in this case, let's just upload an image from my computer from one of our gyms. And we'll pick somebody that we've used recently. Let's load one of theirs. So when you're loading designs, you're going to want to load vector-based PDF files, not a file that you saved online or got from somewhere and had to pull it into a program and save it as a PDF file extension. It really needs to be a file that was saved from Adobe Illustrator as a PDF as a file extension. I believe you can load a few other designs, but this is the one that works the best, and it gives you the ability to manipulate the size of it. It also gives you the ability to manipulate the colors. Some of you out there have colors that you want to change on your design and try to match certain colors. So the reason we tell you to load the PDF is you'll see the logo right here, and on the left hand side you'll see 3 colors. These 3 colors can be manipulated to whatever you want. You can pick these stock colors, or you can actually go in here and pick custom colors. So for those of you that are really trying to match something and you have a Pantone screen print color, you can actually go on here and pick the equivalent RGB color, and you can change this to whatever you want it to change to. Just keep in mind that without doing specific color matching and buying test shirts and all of that, you're never going to get an exact color with this, but you can get pretty darn close. But again, this is the slider menu for you to go in here and pick whatever colors you guys choose you want to make it. So that's how you do that. That's how you load a design. When you're done designing, it'll adjust the price for you. If you change the quantity to 3, you'll see the price went from 25 to 23.25, and then we have quantities of 6, 9, and 12, which actually brings your price as low as $18.25 per shirt. When you start getting into the 24 range, you'll see that with digital printing the way that we did it, it jumps back up to $20.75. If you wanted to get the cheaper price, you would come back here and add a design, but instead of digital printing, you would pick add screen printing, and then we can pick that same design. When you add this, you'll notice that now you want to be very aware of how many colors are in your design. This one happens to be 3, so you can actually pick 3 colors. And if you didn't want to tell us what the colors are, we're going to try to match it as best as possible and pick very standard colors. But if you did want to tell us what the actual colors are, you can put those in here. I believe those come with a $30 per color fee to match colors. So sometimes if it's very basic, you're going to want to simply let us pick the basic red, white, and blue colors. So from here, you're going to pick screen printing. You'll see that the price is already below what our digital printing price is for 24. And then you can obviously mess with it and take a look at what your price would be. For a 3-color, 1-print location, we're looking at down to $14.75. And the awesome part about our fees, guys, is there are no screen fees on top of this. The price that you see is all inclusive. There's nothing else extra to pay other than shipping. So if you have any questions, email us, message us, reach out on social media, and look forward to working with you.